Hello everyone, this is episode 1 of Crypto Dictionary. In this video we will go through some basic fundamentals of crypto. These are essentials to know if you are zero in crypto space. This will help you understand any information that's out there about the crypto much better. This channel will be specific about the meme coins, but I am making this video just that there's a clear understanding of what I will be talking and covering in this channel. So now let me walk you through. First, we have a blockchain. So a blockchain is basically like a digital notebook that everyone can see online, but no one can secretly change. So the notebook itself is like a chain, and each page in the notebook is like a block, and every line or every record is a transaction. So you can see everything that is happening within crypto online, but it's somewhat anonymous. You don't know who exactly is the owner of wallets and everything, but you can see everything that is happening. So next one, we have volume. You see these pictures are from Axiom. It's a trading platform, and today I'll be using it as examples for a couple of words. So volume, it's basically how much money has been sold or purchased in a given time. Usually for bigger coins it's 24 hours, but in meme coins you can use whatever you want. So here, for example, we have 5 minutes volume. Yeah, so 205k bought, 209k sold. Overall volume is 414k. Yeah, and you can also you have to look at the volume because it's a great identification of if the coin is fake or not. Maybe it's I will be covering that later. And but the volume is how much money is in and how much money was taken out, and a summary of both. Now the next one is CA, and CA is short for contract address, and every token has an identifier, just like cars have a VIN number. A token has an address that's called a CA, and you are going to actually be trading via CA. So when a token comes out and somebody talks about maybe some celebrity, you have to know exactly what the contract address is. And oftentimes people will make fake tokens. You can have the same name, but you can't have the same contract address. So that is really important. And for example, on Axiom, if you see a coin, you can copy the CA. Here's a little copy button. And yeah, so CA is like a numbers and letters, uppercase, lowercase, yeah, everything is just a mix of everything, a long line of letters and numbers. Yeah, and this is a DEX screener, and you can also see it down here when you're looking for token. Yeah. So now we have a ticker. A ticker is a name of a coin, usually representing the topic of which the coin was made. It has a big role in coin's potential. If there is a big news, the coin was made on the news. If there's big news, and for example, Elon Musk has a new dog, and called Mia or anything, yeah. And it was the first token that came out, so obviously it will have a lot of attention. But if it has a wrong name, it won't be staying for long. Trust me. And yeah, you have to make sure that the ticker is also spelled correctly. You have to bring your attention to that. Next one, we have a wallet address. A wallet address is basically it's your personal identifier of your wallet. It's like an wallet address is your crypto IBAN. People need it to send you crypto. So next up we have a market cap. Just like in stock market, it represents the current price of all tokens sold. If we are referring to big corporates, they usually look at the stock price, which is, for example, $200 for Tesla today. Yeah, but in Memecoin world, everybody looks at the market cap because it is much easier to evaluate. Market cap is a combination of tokens price and all tokens in circulation. Yeah, so it is also mentioned everywhere. Next up, we have all-time high, and it's a peak of an exact coin. You will hear it a lot. Yeah, for example, you will hear Bitcoin breaks all-time high, or Ethereum is at all-time high, and yeah, this is also most known. Next, we have liquidity, and this is really important one. Liquidity is how much circulated money is in the actual coin and can be taken out. So it's basically how liquid is the coin, and this is really important one in meme coins especially. People create the coins. They create coins, people buy in, but they can actually take out all of the liquidity. And if they take out all of the liquidity, the coin will instantly dump, and you lose 100% of your money in less than a second. So you have to be looking carefully of what is the liquidity and who's making a coin. You have to analyze all of this stuff. Next up, we have the meme coin itself. Well, a meme coin is a fun or hype-based token that people buy, not because of its tech or technology, but because of the meme, the vibes, or the community that's behind the meme coin itself. Next one is a token. Token is a digital asset that lives on a blockchain. It can represent money, ownership, access, or anything of value. And you can send, trade, or use it just like real currency, but it's digital, of course. Every coin is a token, but not every token is a coin. Remember that. A coin is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. That's the coins. A token is built on top of infrastructure like Pepe or SHIB. They are built on Ethereum. Yeah, it's like a digital coin. So the next one, CEX. TX is short for transaction. Unique identifier that you use to look up or present a given transaction. The next one. PnL. So PnL stands for profit and loss. This is a metric that shows how much money have you lost or earned on a selected asset. Yeah. Next one is do your own research. DYOR. Yeah. I think it's very simple to understand. Don't need much explanation. Gas fees. Gas fees. You pay gas at the gas stations to drive a car. So in Web3, you pay gas fees to move your transactions. And yeah, gas fees actually depends on how busy the network is, how complex the action is, and which blockchain are you on. So for example, the Ethereum gas fees can be from $1 to $100 depending on the activity. And Solana, Polygon, Arbitrum, usually cheap, less than 1 cent. On to the next one. So it's CEX and DEX. The CEX is short for centralized exchange, a crypto platform that is run by a real life company. You can sign up, deposit money, trade through their system like Binance, Bybit, Kraken, Coinbase. All of these are CEX. And we have also a DEX, just short for decentralized exchange. There is no middleman. You trade directly with others. So the centralized exchange is like a bank. It needs to know everything about you. But the decentralized exchange is like a farmer's market. There is no middleman. You work with the same people like you. And some of the features that some of the differences, yeah. So on the centralized exchange, you have a risk of platform being hacked. Where on the centralized exchange, you're most of the time safer if you don't mess up yourself. So it's up to everything. Usually all of the black market people use decentralized because the centralized exchanges will get you banned for all of the illegal activities and etc. So in the next episode, I'll dive deeper into Memecoin and trench fundamentals. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you learned something today, please drop a follow. I will make more quality content. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. I'm new here, so criticize me. I'll be happy to become better. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.